Hello friends! Today we're going to look at a book called Farm Animals. Look at those animals. There's a doggy and there's a sheep with a little ducky. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's the big cow. The cow goes moo. The cow eats grass. Here's the baby cow. The baby cow is called the calf. She likes to relax in the flowers. Oh, there's the pig. The pig says, oink, oink. The pig likes to play in the sticky mud. Oh, and there are the baby pigs. They're called piglets. Oink, oink. There's a chicken. Does anybody know the sound a chicken makes? Cluck, 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 cluck. And there's the baby chickens. They're called chicks. Let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3. 3 chicks. And there's the sheep. How does the sheep go? Bah, bah. And there's the baby sheep. The baby sheep is called a lamb. Bah, bah. And what animal is that? You're right, it's a duck. How does the duck go? Quack, 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 quack. And there are the baby ducks. They're called ducklings. Let's count the ducklings. 1, 2. 2 ducklings playing in the rain, splashing in the puddles. Do you like to play in the rain? And there's the sheepdog. He's a farm dog. He looks like he likes to play with a ball. How does the doggy go? Ruff, ruff. And there's the baby doggy. The baby doggy's called a puppy. He's so tired. He's gonna take a nap. Good night, baby puppy. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Have a great day.